Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a quick and super easy method for creating your very own journal in Canva, perfect for selling on platforms like Etsy, Amazon KDP, or even just for personal use. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know the step-by-step process, but you'll also gain some design tips to help your journal stand out from the crowd, even if you're completely new to Canva or graphic design in general. Alright, let's jump right in. To start, open up Canva in your browser. If you haven't already made a free account, you'll want to do that first. It only takes a second. Once you're logged in, look for the Create button. That's usually at the top right or sometimes right on your homepage. Give that a click. Now in the search bar that pops up, type in the word journal. Canva is going to show you a ton of pre-made templates specifically designed for journals. This saves you loads of time and gives you a great foundation to work from. Whether you want a daily gratitude log, a bullet journal, a planner, or a simple notebook style. Scroll through the available templates, and when you find one you like, just click to select it. Don't stress too much over picking the perfect one at this stage. You can always customize every part of it. Choosing a template simply gives you a solid starting point, so it's like having a blueprint ready to personalize. Now comes the fun part, customization. Click into any text box and write whatever you want, add prompts, inspirational quotes, section headings, or even your own instructions for the journal user. This is where you let your personality and your vision for the journal really shine. If you're creating a gratitude journal, for example, you could add reflective prompts on each page, or if it's a wellness tracker, maybe include spaces for mood or habit tracking. Next, let's add more pages. Look for the Add Page button typically near the bottom of your canvas. Hit that, and just like flipping a page in a real notebook, you get a fresh slate. Here, you might want to choose another template page, maybe one for line notes, a checklist, or a weekly planner layout. Canva makes it super easy to mix and match layouts so your journal stays interesting and functional. Feel free to duplicate pages if you have a repeating format. Keep in mind, one of Canva's biggest strengths is its variety of design options. There are patterns, motifs, and graphic elements at your fingertips. Try sprinkling in some of these to make your journal eye-catching yet practical. For example, if you're designing for kids, use fun doodles or bright borders. If your journal is more minimalist, stick with simple lines and soft colors. And don't forget, you can always change the color palette to fit your brand or theme. Just click any element and the color picker will pop up. Play around until everything feels just right. Once you've customized all your pages and you're happy with the look and flow, it's time for the finishing touch. Go up to the Share button, usually in the top right. From there, select Download. Choose PDF for print if you plan to sell a printable version, or JPG PNG if you want single images. Canva will let you select which pages to download, so double-check you've got everything selected that you need. And that's it. In a matter of minutes, you've created a polished, professional-looking journal that's ready to sell or share. Seriously, it's that easy, especially with all the beautiful designs Canva offers. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or requests for future design tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, creative how-tos just like this. Thanks for watching and good luck with your journal. Can't wait to see what you create.